beauties, it's Viviana, and today I want to do a protected style. What are we protecting our hair from? Me. Protecting it from myself. Do you feel this heat? Do you feel this heat? I want my hair out of my way. So I came across this video by Sweetheart's Hair, and I thought these braids looked so stinking cute. And it looks so easy to do. Well, she make it look easy to do. I think this looks like a great alternative for persons who don't know how to braid. Like just a little twisty twist, twisty twist, twisty twist, and yeah. And since you know I don't see texture, I feel like I should give it a try to see if it actually is that easy. So right now my hair is freshly washed, it clean, but it dry. Like both dry in the sense of it's absent of water, and dry as in it's absent from moisture too. So I need to moisturize my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is to section my hair into two with a nice neat center part going all the way down to the back of my head. I mean, that's looking sharp enough. However, we're gonna add some edge gel to really clean up the part. So the first twirl is like a little triangle section, right? I already see a little variation we're gonna have to do, okay? If I just free ball it like how she do, just you know, swoop it up, the parting isn't going to look very neat. You see that? Like, it's gonna end up very chaotic very quickly. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is to intentionally section off each of my little sections. Let's not curve it. Let's just do a nice straight part. A little more work, but I think it's gonna be worth it for the finished look. My hair was thick, but this is rather humbling. So I don't know if it's because the style was done on a child and her head little bit and my head not, but these knots aren't giving what I thought it would give. So here what I am thinking. I always have braids on hand, so I'm thinking to elastic each section and crochet in some braids and then do the roly, the twisty. Give me a little more chunk. Let's just continue making sections just like that, each section being about 1.5 inches thick. So if you notice that this third one is more parted like a triangle shape, to start bending that corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. I feel like if I don't section out this side now, it's going to be demotivating later. So the new challenge is trying to do the exact same thing to this side and also to match up each of these parts. Do it!
And how to hold it still.
Alright. It's supposed to be pretty simple after this, alright? braids. Oh, yes! Look at that color match! Yay! So I'm gonna cut this in half. So with this half, I'm gonna split it into 3 sections. I think this should be enough to bump up my little twirl. And this still might be too thick to pull through with the crochet needle. So what I'm gonna do is to split this into half. So I'm going to pull through 1 half at a time. Yes, look at that. I'm definitely loving how much thicker this is looking now. Yeah, okay. So what she did was to put her finger in the middle. Wait, I have to make sure it's nice and smooth. Should I brush it through? I should probably get a little brush. Okay. So just roll a nice smooth twist. Okay. And what she did was to put her finger in the middle and she rolled it back. And then she pinned this down to her head. Whoa. That's looking a lot more hefty. Okay. Let's pin it down. It's just a temporary pin though. It's just to keep it in place. Okay, nice and smooth. Ready? So we'll hold our finger and bring it around. Then we adjust it, flatten it a bit. Let's add a pin.
And then, I don't know why I thought it would be a good idea not to add braids to the other sections, but here is me thinking that my hair is, you know, thickly thick. And I could just continue with these rolls.
Oh, so this is all my real hair now. I need to add braids. I'm going to add braids to this. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add braids to this 4th one.
Nope! I needed to pull them all out and add braids to each and every one of them.
Okay, there should be no more delays. Let's get this on the road.
Let me save you the time I couldn't save myself.
I feel like this one is out of line. Like I feel like this elastic needs to go up a bit more. I have another pack of braid. So with this bottom section, I'm going to add the full length of the braid so I can get a nice thick Bantu knot. Yeah. I don't think the hair was long enough for this bottom Bantu knot. But from my first try, it's not so bad. Let's do this over one more time. I feel like since I know what I'm doing now, you can't hold me. Can't hold me. So after doing exactly what I'm doing, this literally took me like, I don't even know if it passed 5, probably 10 minutes. It's not long at all. But I love it. And she used her pins to temporarily hold on her seashell braids. Baby girl, these pins are staying in. You can't even see them. more gel. Always more gel. It's raining. Ignore that. But wait till we fix it up a morning. Alright. Oh God, thank you, Jesus! Early yourself for parting out this section from before, because God damn! If I had to part this now, it would have stayed till tomorrow.
My baby. Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor. Like Stiga, can mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man fi sweat. Hey.
I'm gonna now tie my hair up with my scarf to hold on all the flyaways, and I'll show you how it looks when it's set and dry.
I know you want.
So I've allowed my hair to set. Let's see the results.
Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
I removed my robe to tie my edges though. I want to add some accessories though. We want to keep the style looking grown and sexy, but I still want to add some accessories. So I have these, what would you call these? Rings? I don't know. So small rings. I had used for a video previously. What was it called? Gold ring braids? I'm pretty sure the name didn't get more creative than that. One of these crochet tools. And I'm guessing that I need rubber bands. I'll leave the video up in the iCards. Another thing you could do to accessorize this style is to crochet in little curly pieces of hair. That would look cute. But that's just an idea, not for me right now. I want it to stay sleek. But you could do that if you want to. This is a really cute braid that I think anybody could do. Okay beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, really? After all of this? It's alright, my feelings not hurt. We just met. So here's what I'll do. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then if you actually sit down through one or two more of my videos, it just simply means you enjoy my content and it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching.